Alright, Julian, since today I'm doing this for your birthday, here we come to the elevators at the Hilton Hotel by the Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, somewhere in Georgia. It's not specifically in Atlanta, but I forgot what it was. It starts with an H. But anyways, these are Otis Elevonic 401. Since I can't find anything vintage, Julian, this is the one that I can find at the best that I can. We got this one right here. Wow, look at this. This is a beautiful cab. 7. Whoa, these are fast. Our button goes out. Just missed that classic leveling. All right, it's gone to the lower level. This is a tall elevator and fast. These are your fixtures. They're older Otis Series 1 fixtures. There's your phone. Man, this thing stopped hard. What floor y'all want?
12, please.
What floor, you guys?
We're on 12.
Everyone's going to 12?
Yes.
But when like it's under construction, all the cleaning people were like, it's because of construction because they're not really clean shit.
Why didn't you just skip?
Yeah, the lobby is closed for construction.
So it skips the lobby, so you cannot get off there. So people.
That's
yeah.
why it goes from
Yeah, you can't.
3 all the way up to.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't ask me.
Y'all have a good day.
You too.
And we're gonna get a dual indicator this time and watch the button go out. Man, this is fast. Oh, watch this. Love that classic leveling. This elevator is kind of a bit busy. Anyways, as you can see, they cover up the lobby floor because the lobby is closed for construction.
Going up, going down.
This is going down.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. All right, we're gonna catch a different elevator car this time. All right, there goes that one. We got this one. Similar cab like the other one. 17. I love that classic leveling. All right, let's go down to the bottom floor and then we're gonna end the video on 11. It's just like the other one and we got people coming inside. You coming in? You're welcome. You getting off? What floor you want? All right, you take care. Have a good day.
You too.
You're welcome. Oh my gosh, look at this panel. Kind of a bit loose. All right, here's your phone. It's just like all the other elevators. Otis. All right, once that closes up, we got a special surprise to show you. Look at that lantern. You can barely see a view out there. Look, you can see the Atlanta Airport. See, look at that. And my camera just lost the focus. See? You can see the aircrafts right there. See, that is Atlanta Hartsfield Jackson International Airport. And you can hear the elevator cars. You hear the other elevator cars rolling by. All right, let's go to our hotel room now. Look at this hallway. Anyway, I have not done a hotel tour in a while, mainly for security concerns, and also during the time I usually stay with my parents, and so there are no real reasons for me to do hotel tours, and most of the time they're just not really special, but I made an exception for this one today. Anyways, once I pull my room card out, here it is right here. We will check out the room. It's like literally all the way at the end. Anyways, we're in room 1119. All right. Open the door. This is heavy. There used to be a lock. There used to be like a key card where you actually like plug it in and you pull it out, but they changed it to where you just tap it and then it lights up. All right, we'll close the door now. Anyways, you can see, you can barely see out. There's your map right there. And there's your lock. Here's your coffee maker. Inside here is your sink. And look in the mirror, hi. You got your towels right here. You got your napkin. This is your commode right here. It's a Kohler. I'll flush for you just in case. All right, and this right here is the bathtub, and up there is the shower. I think I can demonstrate it for you. All you do is just turn this on. See, that's for the bathtub. You pull this. Oh, it did work. I didn't recognize it. I didn't see it too well. See? There's a shower over there to turn it off. So there's your sink right here. And there's your closet, or mirror, I meant to say. Look in the mirror. Hi. You can see my iPhone 12 Pro Max. See, this is what my iPhone looks like. in case if anyone wonders. This right here is your closet with your, looks like that's a safe right there. Here's your ironing board, hangers. And this right here is the bed. They're like 2 king-size bed, as you can see here. I'm gonna turn on the light here. Like 2 switches right here. There's your alarm clock, your telephone. Anyway, this right here is your flat screen TV. I'm sorry it's rather dark. Made by LG. I wonder if there's a light here. No, it's not really. I think that's pretty much the brightest that it gets. Yeah. So you can get a much better view of the bed. Here's your remote. And I wonder if this lamp works. Here's a switch. Yep. See, I wonder, I'm not sure what kind of bulb that is. See, that's your sitting area. And that right there is your workstation, and you can get a much better view of the TV right there. Anyways, I'm not going to go through the drawers because it just takes too much work. Anyway, here are all the stuff. And you can see a view out there. See, there's a view. The window is rather dirty. Sorry about the dirty window, but you can see a view out there. I can't even reach out. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And Julian, hope you have a happy birthday. That'll be it.